Why do you look like
Sino yan?
Hey, you're not.
Mama
Oh,
Iti.
What?
stop sending fire.
Alright, fine. There's no more you recording.
Hi,
Mama!
Baga na nagsagarat.
Okay.
Hi, Mama!
Si Bembem, si Bembem.
Papatayin nyo muna, tapos tawag uli. Patayin nyo muna, tapos tawag uli. Patayin mo muna, tapos tawag uli kay Masagarat. Nay, yung uniform ko.
Ano ang uniform?
Uniform ko. Tapos na yan?
Ay, waray man mananahi buwas. Hi, Managan Marisa.
Hindi pa yata. Ewan ko kung gano'n.
Dude. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We don't have to turn it on. And plus,
Kay diri
it's
kanina
fine,
nat
it's fine.
maintindihan.
Alright, let's just get some wood.
Aw, ada malagyan isagarat.
Nah. Stop, bruh. Stop,
Sa
gang.
imo
Stop.
day tunday. Ako daw mo tawag.
Wait, there's a ritual.
Where? The ritual site?
Yeah, see it. See?
Okay, it's over there.
Mo lagyan mo.
Oh yeah, I do see it.
Mo lagyan
Let's go over there. Let's go over there. Let's go over there.
Already activated it.
Dog.
Mo tiya sakit.
You shouldn't have in vain. It was all in vain. The ritual has been broken. Wilfred, why did you activate it? I wasn't ready.
Okay. Did you get the story though?
Yeah, I did. Or did I? Hold on. Did I?
Yeah, what Jairus?
Yeah?
Bro, you know that great thing about why do I see two?
Andi na ito san. Oy, andi na san yung pay.
Yeah, keep inventories on. Yo.
Twixel.
Oo.
You know Twixel's stalkers, right?
What?
You know Twixel stalker, right?
Yeah.
From Color Code and Curse Words.
Yes.
Color Code recreated that, and bro, it was so scary.
Yo, Wilfred, can you call? I'll call you in Discord real quick.
Tatag.
I need a book.
Paano yun?
Yo, gang, don't mind this.
Sino man it magkuha si
Don't mind
Kamakosisyon?
it.
Aw, mo lagi. Ikaw po.
Yo, why is there zombie? Yo, I'm at 2 hearts. Gang, I'm at 2 hearts.
Aw, kadalon, 500.
I haven't even made a weapon yet.
Siya naman magbantay si Ton.
Gang, chill. Hasn't started yet. Or did it? Why did I just drop it? Just drop my wood.
Waray mo mali magtikang.
I got some
Magasto na.
cobblestone.
Alright.
Yay.
Alright, bet. Where are you?
And
You're over there.
the locator bar.
Oh my god. I fell into the water.
Are you recording now?
No, we're not that far. Yeah, it's already recording from earlier. Yeah.
I'm recording.
We're gonna invite someone special.
Who?
Jaira.
Why?
She wanted to. She's forcing me.
Sino man ito na kontraktor?
No,
Ha?
please.
He's gonna be a pain in the you know.
Probably the phone.
You know, there's 2 ritual sites.
Yeah, I
Sino
know.
man ito na?
Like, got
Sino
confused.
man ito na kontraktor?
That's confusing.
You need a blood spear to make it.
Where are
Me
you,
too.
gang? Why are you so
But I'm
far?
underground. I am getting cobblestone, bro.
Jaira.
I'm getting cobblestone, bro.
Ikaw, kung
Oh my god, I'm so low.
pero kung diri makaupay, ay ang pagdayon.
You should have added the bonus chest.
Nah.
I'm getting
Bagay.
you. Double.
Did you just pick break? Did your pick just break?
Yes.
Ano man itong didaday?
Oh my god.
Puro man itong didaday.
Not very. I got a stone. Got a stone one. Anyways, I'm gonna leave you here. Bye.
No, wait. You have some wood.
Yeah, I have 25.
Can I have some?
Here, have 13.
I needed to make sticks.
You don't have sticks, bro?
No, I don't.
At mga itong dito nga so po sa Meroy. Amo,
I'm sorry. No. My gosh, bro, that house scared me.
Why?
Just sorry.
alam.
Sorry.
How the hell did that scare you?
I don't know.
Ayaw mo mag-join, Jaira?
Leg. The legs, bro. Scared me.
The legs?
Maupay lang.
Yeah.
Maupay lang
The
siya
foot.
kung siya kung makaurog.
What you mean foot?
The foot of the cow.
Oh.
Get out of here.
Waray laga ni atos kan. Waray lang ang nagsusaiya magkuan, magsumbat. Kay nahinomdom kasi itong dida nga kalubian kan man Romy, bayida bayan at itong dida bahin. Tima, magreklamo siya kon makabuli kita kan boy. Maupay la siya kung siya ton makaurog.
No. Then I'm sorry.
Yo, what did you drop stuff?
Huh? You drop stuff.
No, I didn't. Why can't I open my inventory?
The server has shut down? What do you mean?
An error has occurred.
The server shut down?
It says an error has occurred.
It says error shut down.
Maybe it's the evil hunter.
Lol.
No, like actually.
Let me see if I can join again.
Actually, genuinely. Genuinely.
Let me see if I can join again. Okay, there I'm joining.
Ako, ayaw pag ayaw pagpabuot kung magreklamo siya si itong kang boy pagbulig. Kay pangutan siya kay di ka man mo
There, I'm
mabuligan
going
si
back.
boy.
Let's use the ritual
Kasi
in
kumbaga sa
the
pagbulig,
acacia
nakabulig,
biome.
managyapit ton sa iya
Or savanna, I think.
Itong kalubian, di manakiyag yung bahinan.
I think that's a savannah. A mini biome, mini savannah.
Okay.
Let's use that ritual. I don't know why there's two rituals.
Because there's two.
Oh,
Ooh, perfect place for iron. Ooh.
plus it just looks cooler on top of a mountain.
Oh my gosh.
Wala ito siya magtawag sa aton. Kaya nagkuhan ka siguro
Found iron.
sulungan na niya itong kita.
We need some silver.
Hello.
Wilfred, stop crouching. I can't see you.
Siya nga itong sa buhangin.
Dude, I'm bridging.
Ito suluhon pagkita.
You want me to do?
Kung amo ito ni
Stop bridging and then uncrouch.
alamin mo kay para
Oh, okay, you're over
mabuhis
there.
itong mga tuna.
Crouching again.
Kay patawagon ko nga niyong kay daw
Copper.
kadalili.
Really?
Oo.
Oh, okay, that's a big jump. I'm not jumping that.
Dude, just go down slowly. Just follow the bridge.
Where's the
Follow the
bridge?
Are you blind?
Maybe.
Bro. Then what colors do you see?
What's DC? Oh, alright. Blue?
Adi nakita sini naglapas, napatay na sila itay.
Don't you dare kill me.
Lambuhi pa sila itay, ang mga tagiya, lugod sa mga original, waray nagsiring na naglapas kita.
Let's go over here and explore more of the cave.
Hey!
Yeah?
Iron.
Where?
Iron. Nowhere. Hey! Get out of here! Get out of here!
I don't have blocks, okay? Ooh, creeper. No, gang.
Hey.
What? What are you doing?
Bye. What? I don't have a torch. I can make a torch.
Wow.
Scared me.
What did I scare you? How?
Nagbayad.
Let's search for a cave.
Nagbayad. Pag magloloko,
That's why I'm doing
lolokohin
this.
din.
Oh, sorry.
Bro, stop!
Wilfred. I was trying to get out of there. I was trying to get out of there, bro.
Amoy kanilagi.
That's why I'm about to kill you, bro. Wilfred! Wilfred, I'm scared.
Damo maninin na giyoping nga aton mga Oropo. Ditong
Ano, Jaira?
itong si Joby. Yupi man ton, diliman.
Okay.
Wa man sa
Okay.
mga gulo.
So... Wilfred, did you see that on your screen?
Ibig sabihin,
See what?
amo lagi ito ng
See. Did you see it on the screen?
No.
There was like a glitch text in the middle of my screen. There's a glitch text.
Umabot na panahon. Labi na kung mamatay,
It just kicked me out of Minecraft.
My God! I can't open my inventory.
Saan man nagsiring sa
Yeah, because I left. It kicked me out of the game, bro. It kicked me out of Minecraft.
Gani ka-aktibo, iba na ang
My gosh,
gipasok siton nga mga kuan.
Are we even going to even finish this video? While
Yes, we are.
we're
Bro.
not.
Bro, this can go on for hours. But
We're already
genuinely,
getting bored, bro.
huh?
Ay,
Already
laro
getting
na,
bored.
oy.
Oh my
Makikita
god.
liwat ikaw, ayaw ikaw itapon na kanayda itong kontrata.
Gang, where are you?
I'm nowhere.
What you mean?
I'm nowhere.
What you mean nowhere?
Bro.
Can you stop? Can you uncrouch? I don't know where you are.
And I might fall.
Oo.
Yeah, you're gonna crouch,
bro.
please.
Fine.
Sige. Kung makabulig man
Oh,
ito,
okay, okay.
lupay.
You can stop crouching. Uncrouching.
Where did the iron go?
Okay, thanks for the boost.
gonna eat you.
You're gonna what?
Gonna eat you.
Istoryahin na lang si Balik Liwat.
While I get darkness.
We got darkness for a second.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know.
Imo dahil ni Singkin
Cause the evil hunter. Come on, this is interesting for the people watching.
Yeah.
Even
though it's sad.
Nagpanda man miss call. Ako nag-miss call Liwat ako.
Don't get so bored
Busy
easily.
man. Sige.
Well, Fred,
Yeah.
Ha?
where did you go?
I died.
Sino?
How?
Ha?
I fell into a cave.
Oh,
Sinig na?
how deep is the cave though?
Ano sinig na sa Manila?
Like 100 blocks.
Damn, that's deep. I won't survive that, gang.
Di ma?
Oh, frick.
But that is a. I'm at half a heart right now. I need a heal.
Get TP to you, bro.
Nah, man.
Ha?
Nah, fine.
Bro, TP me, bro. A baby zombie. Oh my gosh, bro.
Dog.
Ano yung sinig na sa Manila? Ate?
Yeah, baby zombie.
Don't you dare break this block.
Adi nga, July.
How do we get
July
down,
22.
bro?
I don't know, gang. I'ma go down.
Sa July.
There's diamonds.
July?
There's diamonds.
Sige,
Ano
July.
yun?
12 to 21.
Oh.
Ibig sabihin,
I have a lot of health.
awaros 2 weeks.
Oh,
Baby zombie.
nah, 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 nah.
Baby zombie, you're the worst. Even though you look baby zombie, you're still the worst. I hate you, baby zombies.
But what about a baby zombie at 10,000 tick per second?
Waray, adila gani ako matulog kay alas 4
Don't
pa
you
kanina
dare.
Mata, may dama naglilibag sa
Don't you dare. We're all gonna die from that horde of zombies right there. Oh, wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. Well, Fred,
Waray ako
I was trying to get
nagbuhat.
silver, bro.
wait. You be right
Ay,
there.
damo tagtrabaho. May tahi, hindi si Bembem. Waray gadak magtahi.
Oh, Fred, stop hitting me, gang. Go over there. I'm gonna kill the zombies my way.
Waray manggod sila nakaintindi si
Oh, silver.
No, silver. Don't go around this. You don't see that. Why do you keep trying to mine? Get away.
Dude! I swear I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Just stop. Oh, I just, bro.
Kaploosh!
You teleport me there, bro. I don't want to be here. Bro.
I'm
Bro. You want to go. Bro. Bro.
it's over here.
Being up my bro.
Wilfred, it's over here, I remember. But how are we gonna get down?
Just get down. I don't know what I'm doing.
You know what's the craziest part?
I don't know where are we going.
You know what's the craziest part?
What?
I found a cave over here. Let's go over here. Wilfred!
Dude, why did you even teleport up here? I mean, why did you teleport you to me? Bro, why? It's your dude. I'm killing you for a reason, dude.
Why?
Not because you teleport. Because you teleported to me and we lost the cave.
Lost the game.
Roy.
What? How? What game are we
Bro.
playing?
Dude, they said the cave.
Oh. Oh, but there's iron over here.
I don't care.
No, there's seriously so much iron.
And I lost my god.
We'd be nothing without keep inventory.
It would be still nothing.
Hindi ako magtabas dyan, Sai.
My
Oh, baby zombie! Baby zombie!
get out.
Gang.
Get out.
Gang, that baby zombie is so annoying. A zombie. Gang. More zombies. Ooh, more iron.
My gosh. I'm gonna make a house, dude.
What?
I'm gonna make a house.
Okay. That's good. How do we make a blood sphere?
You need the hunter's core, I think. No. But it looks like a Dorito chip.
Frick.
Right.
Dorito chip?
Yeah, Dorito chip, for real.
Off.
Get away from me!
Balay.
Get away from me.
Naninirahan na siya dito.
Get away from me. Ah!
May bayad ka sa meral to, Min.
But this silver is mine. I got this. I got this silver, bro.
Nah, bro, you gotta share.
Nah, I got the silver. You kept on dying.
Nah, you killed me.
Nanay.
My fault. I was trying to mine it.
Bro, then why couldn't you just said that? Why couldn't you just said to move, man?
Bro, weren't you looking at me?
What?
Weren't you looking at me, bro? Dude, that's mine.
What?
Silver.
I know. I'm just waiting for it. I also have free raw silver.
Okay.
Bakit?
It looks like iron.
Bro.
Ganun ganggang.
What? No, it's not.
Alam na pala yan eh. Siya yan?
Looks like iron.
Gulang naman.
Pasok siya sa
Because they're identical. They're cousins.
Siya makasya school niya, Min. Siya oo. Charge ka lang ang cellphone.
Pwede ka na lang sa taas. Tapos ako.
Tamang-tama lang, 80% na yung phone.
Wait, is that yours or is that mine?
This is mine.
Forgot. Okay, good.
I'll make a sword. I'll make a sword.
I gotta act.
Basta,
Bro.
Sa pag-charge.
What?
I-off mo to.
What you mean?
What?
What you mean I have to do all this before I get a silver, ritual sword?
Bro.
Fine, I'll just get a silver sword. Which looks exactly the same. I'm also gonna smelt iron. My iron. This 12 iron is mine, alright?
Alright. Move. My God.
Sama si ate. Sabi ni
Nice, you got, that's mine, dog.
Minmin sa'yo.
I'm used to.
Asan niya si ate?
Nanood kay Domingo.
Oh, Hunter's Soul. It's a Hunter's Soul.
Ah, si ate? Di sa taas.
Asan niya si ate?
Di sa taas si ate. Sama ka? Asus, may pakiro-kiro pang nalalaman. Sabi,
Wait, Wandering Trader. Let's see what he had.
Ooh, Wandering Trader?
Yeah. Okay, it's trash.
Should we slaughter him?
Yep.
Basta i-off lang yung ilaw dito.
Why? I didn't mean to hit you.
Okay. Let you pass. You're just gonna get some food.
Alright.
Do you? I'm gonna get some wood as well. Gonna make a smoker. I can't make a burp.
You can't make a burp?
No. As you have any cobblestone, bro? I need to make another furnace for the smoker.
Here.
Thank you. And the chest. I need that. Oh, do you have any coal?
No.
I'll use coal. Making good progress.
Yeah, we're actually... It's finally time you don't get after 5 minutes of playing Minecraft.
What a door.
A what?
What a door.
Oh. I don't have a door. I used all my wood. Why do you have seagrass?
Oh no. Because of you.
What do you mean, Mama? What did I do? What did I do?
But it turns out Verity must have been the first dad.
Ready?
We're gonna keep on watching Verity Saga, Verity series. He was
Yeah, the one that come with me to get some coal.
Sure. We'll also get some diamonds.
Yeah. I have a silver pickaxe,
You have a silver pickaxe? I have an iron.
which is better than the iron.
Yeah.
More, like way more durability.
Let's get some lapis and gold.
Okay.
So we
this
can craft the ritual sword.
Okay. We share diamonds,
Huh?
but not the others. We
Village!
share diamonds.
Village!
No way.
Village over there.
Right there. Armadillos.
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 Oh, get the hay bale.
You get hay bale and just loot the place.
Where's the hay bales, man? Where's the hay bales?
Oh wait, we actually need a bed.
Where's the hay bales?
So just get the crops.
Okay.
Hey, this guy. For a second, I thought he didn't even drop any iron.
We barely got any wheat.
Yeah. Wait. Never mind, that is such a small house.
Gang, tonight
Right.
tonight might
Wait.
something bad might happen.
Bread. And a bundle.
What? How do I turn wait, no. I need crafting table. Then craft it into bread.
Black.
I need the bread right now. Cause I need to eat.
I was working. Oh my gosh, I'm out of hunger.
You're out of hunger? Wow.
Alright, I got some food.
Creeper!
Creepers?
Creeper? Oh man.
Krieger.
Here.
Like, I told you to get the crops.
I did.
Dude, there's still some crops.
Yeah, but they aren't wheat.
What?
They aren't wheat.
Dude, they're wheat crops.
Yeah, but the young ones don't drop. The young wheat.
A lot of grown-ups. I mean, grown ones.
I know. I was too lazy to get the other ones.
Bro.
Because there's so much. Alright. Let's go now.
No, this is a... Wait.
Let's go. No, there's no hay bales in this village. Sad.
Might need some watermelons if they do ever spawn.
Oh, there's a lava pool.
Okay, cool.
By the way,
Yeah.
the evil hunter is in our house.
What are you talking about?
No, I was just kidding.
Good. We could make a poop bed, but nah. Do we need to set our spawn point there?
Imagine we set our spawn point in the house, and then the evil hunter just goes in our house and spawn kills us. I need to kill myself. I need to kill myself.
We need to... Why?
I don't know where our house is.
Bro. Alright, I got a bed. So, where's the door? Oh, there it is. Finally! Also, did you set... Okay, there. Good. Oh, we don't even have a roof.
A roof. Alright, time to explore.
Forgot the whole purpose. We were supposed to find some coal.
Yeah, we lost purpose. Get it?
But yeah.
Purpose, lost purpose. Ah!
What?
Creeper almost exploded because I kept missing my attacks.
Dude, there's a creeper right at the door.
Sakop na din ng galamay ng ni Marcos Jr. ni Martin Romualdez ang Korte Suprema. So ito po, basahin natin ha. Korte, pinagbabayad ng 20 million.
Where's the cave that I saw?
Oh. Si Posing Romualdez.
Yeah.
Pinahayag ng Quezon City Regional Trial Court or RTC na ibasura ang 1 bilyong kaso na isinampa ng United Peoples Against Corruption or tinatawag na UPAC.
How long is this video now? 34 minutes already?
35.
For me, it's 34.
You're recording too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why wouldn't I? Hey, don't kill those!
Oh. Where is... Where?
Wait. Okay.
I think it's over there. Yeah, it's over there.
Wait.
I remember.
I remember now. Iti. Get there. Where'd you go?
Never mind, I don't remember where it is.
Oh my gosh. Let's just find another random cave.
Clearing Synchro Dragon! Attack! Yeah, but I already found the cave.
My gosh, dude. Teleport me there. Make me operator.
Nah.
Bro. Why?
Oh
Dude, why don't you want to make me operator so I can teleport myself there?
I mean, I don't know.
Okay, I have a water bucket.
You have a water bucket? Can you make me one? Oh, never mind, I have iron.
Anyways, gonna go to the cave.
Do you even know where it is?
Yep.
Dude, you just filled our place with water, gang. I need free iron. Can you give me some iron, please?
I don't have iron, bro.
Gang. Where did I put my iron, gang? It's not here. I'll give you 1 iron I'll give you 1 silver for free iron. A bucket. I'll give you silver. 1 silver for a bucket.
Dude, where's the cave?
Gang, I need it, please. I need it, gang.
Ekna.
I need it.
I'm sorry.
I'm
but
very
no.
clumsy, bro.
Ekna.
I'm very
This is my
clumsy.
water bucket.
I'm very
This is
clumsy in
my
Minecraft. And I
This is
fall.
my water bucket. This is my water bucket.
Okay, fine, but if I die, it's your fault by fall damage.
It's not my bucket.
But it is your fault for not giving me it. Alright, there it is. A new cave.
But we need to find some diamonds as well.
Yeah,
And iron.
you need a lot more iron.
Iron and the diamond.
Oh my god, there's so many. How are they attacking me?
Huh?
How are they attacking me, gang?
Okay, wait, ate. Iron. Bro, I don't have a torch.
Gang.
Alright.
Alright. Let's go!
Gang.
Yo, this is the same cave.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I got solar fire creeper. Did you teleport me to you?
No.
Please.
I'm gonna make you operator.
Why didn't you do that earlier?
I was too lazy.
Crap. My operator now.
Yes. This video is almost an hour.
So ito, papakita natin. Bali ito yung kuha ng CCTV.
Gang,
Bro, I'm not even operator.
Itong mga picture.
you are.
So papakita natin. Ulitin ko.
But I just can't. But alright, there. You're operator now.
50% na hindi. So, hindi ko
But if you still aren't,
Target. No.
but if you still aren't, here.
yan kung nasaan si Martin Romualdez. Kita-kita ko natin pababa ng hagdan. So,
All
yan.
fit.
Sa pangalawang picture, may kita niya naman yan.
Bro,
Yung mga bata.
I already teleported to you.
Wilfred, please, speed. I need this. I need that water bucket, man. I'm at 3 hearts.
Dude, come to me. I'll give you iron. I have iron. I have
Okay.
iron.
Uh,
Come to me and I'll give you iron. Okay, there. Good boy.
bro.
Nandito po may kita na CCTV
It's not even iron ingot.
may kasama po.
Hey, you have to smelt it. I said deal.
Romualdez. Ang pagkakasabi niya
What? No.
ay
I did not say deal.
ang nagbigay daw sa kanya
Alright, let's get some diamonds.
Romualdez na gusto ng
So I need silver.
umalis dahil natatakot.
Silver? You need
I need
silver?
silver.
I have silver.
I need silver.
I have silver.
Okay.
Wilfred, I found silver. Wilfred, I found silver.
I found diamonds.
Nice.
Oh, frick. I think it's only one diamond though.
Gang, if it's two, let's share.
Bro, it's only one diamond.
Gang.
Kill that skeleton, please. It's only one diamond.
Gang, whatever. Gang.
Well, I take that. Also, where was the silver?
No, I was just lying.
Oh, wait, more diamonds.
What?
Wait. Let me see. Oh, more diamond. Oh, ow! No! My gosh, dude.
Kasi balita pa lang, wala pa
Eh.
tayong sapat na ebidensya. Ito ay conclusion. So,
Bruh, this is so dreadful, man.
umalis na ng Pilipinas. Kasama
Where are we going?
I don't know.
mga Junakis ng kanyang mga anak.
Oh, this one here, over here, Wilfred. Oh, never mind. That's not a cave. Oh, it is a cave.
No, it's not a full cave. Oh, it just went back home.
Makakatigil ng hagupit ng galit ng mga Pilipino. Kaya ang ginawa, pinabibenta yung iba't ibang mga alian nila dito sa Pilipinas at sila ay pumunta na ng ibang bansa. Ang may record kaya ako sa airport.
You know what? Let's just hopefully that we find the cave.
You know, I'm just holding a piece of bread.
Just a piece of bread, bro.
Yes, just one piece.
One piece. Sounds familiar. Also, did you wanna join my server later?
But I thought we were gonna play together.
Oh yeah, I forgot. No, oh yeah, what? No. Gongo.
Congo!
Gongo.
Oh, frick.
Please give me the coin, Gongo.
Gongo! Oh no!
Gotta go on spectator, bro.
Don't! That'll ruin the purpose of the video. Is to play this mod.
Oh my gosh.
That is the purpose right now. If we need a part 2, let's do a part 2, gang. Oh, Jesus, that's... Well, Fred, give me the water bucket right now. I'll clutch. And then I'll, Wait, silver!
Oh, I thought you were
Silver!
over?
Yeah, it's only one piece, though.
Oh, never mind.
Yo,
Well,
drop
we can
me the
do-
bucket and I'll water bucket clutch.
Nah.
And then I'll,
Alright,
You did
okay,
it?
there. The water's down. The water's down.
What you mean?
My gosh. Dude, it was down at the other side. Just teleport me. I mean, what? Just TP to me.
Just teleport me?
No.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Well, Fred, please put me out. I'm burning.
There's water right next to me.
I can't go there. Bro, as
my
soon as the fire burnt out, I went to the water.
Ain't no way, bro.
Nah, genuinely. The fire was burning, and then when I tried to go in the water, I jumped, and then the fire burnt out.
Mid-air.
Kaya nagdali na.
Oh my god, there's a second creeper. What? No, there's a fourth creeper. Genuinely,
They should have
genuinely.
added a dynamic. Ain't no way, dude.
I dropped my sword! Wilfred, I dropped my sword! I need to get my sword back. Now!
It's your problem that you left your sword. Do you see this right now?
Yeah. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I mean,
What's the block there?
what?
That block there.
Oh, I found diamonds!
Oh, diamonds too.
Alright, that's just one piece of diamond.
Until what?
Over it.
It should have added dynamic lighting.
What you mean, man?
Dynamic light.
What
When you
mean?
hold it, it goes light.
What you mean?
Oh, you see better.
We're only supposed to review one game.
So that's just something that will help us, dude. When we're in a cave.
Well, Fred, let's do a part 2, gang. We have to do a part
Check
2.
me out. Dude, get away from here. Dude, get away. Get away. Oh, frick. Get down here. Okay, so
I didn't take any damage, but I am burning. What the frick? Alright. Okay, let's do part 2, gang.
check now.
Alright. Should we stop recording?
No, not yet.
Okay. Why did you leave your evil book?
Huh? What do you mean?
You left your evil book in the chest.
Yeah? Why?
Oh no. Yo! A blood sphere. I need the hunter's soul, which looks like a Dorito, silver ingot, gold ingot, and some glass.
Okay.
That's what we need.
Canada's consistent support, both bilaterally and multilaterally, reflects our shared
Frick, this is so much silver.
rules-based international order.
So much silver, bro.
United Nations Convention on the Sea or UNCLOS
Good for you.
2016 arbitral award.
And I died. Whoa. Wait, move.
Oh! Ah! 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 Wilfred! 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 Wilfred!
It's done. It's done. It's done. Okay, my turn to bring out CJ. What? What?
I'm scared.
Iron. What? Silver.
Wait, no! I still needed to do a 5 iron, gang.
Later.
Well, I need a. Wait, no, I don't need sticks.
How can a door freaking fit in a sack?
I don't know.
I will be back.
Alright, I just upgraded to a silver pick and a silver sword. Wilfred,
That axe does way more damage
should we make a part 2?
next time. Oh,
Should we make a part 2? Should we end the video and make a part 2 tomorrow?
maybe.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Alright.
Guys, see you in the next video.
Bye guys. See you in the next video, guys. Sorry for the intro. It was noisy. Okay, bye bye.